Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade on FXCM. In this walkthrough, we'll place a simple order on the EUR-USD currency pair using the trading view. We'll choose the symbol, set the order direction, select entry to place a pending order, type in a price, and then send the order. I'll add helpful context along the way so each action makes sense before you click anything. First, go to EUR-USD. In your platform, locate the market list or quote board and open the EUR-USD symbol so it becomes the active instrument. This ensures the ticket and chart reflect the pair you actually want to trade. If you keep multiple symbols pinned, double-check that EUR-USD is highlighted before moving on. Next, click on Trading. This opens the main trading panel for the selected symbol. Think of this as your order ticket and control center. You'll see the current bid and ask, along with options for how you want to execute your trade. Taking a second here to confirm you're still on EUR-USD prevents accidental orders on the wrong market. Now select the symbol you intend to trade from the list if needed, keeping EUR-USD as our example. Selecting a symbol here simply syncs the right-hand ticket with that instrument. You should see the price ladder and quote updating in real time, which is a good sign you're ready to set direction. In the right panel, click on Buy or Sell. Choose Buy if you expect EUR to strengthen against USD, or Sell if you expect it to weaken. This sets the direction on your ticket. Remember, direction determines how your order will react when price moves, so choose the one that matches your plan. Click on Entry. Entry orders are pending orders that trigger when price reaches your specified level, rather than executing immediately at the current market. Use Entry if you want to be filled only when the market touches your preferred price, allowing you to plan trades in advance. Enter your price. Type the exact level where you want the trade to trigger. Make sure the number of decimals matches the quote format, and consider where your price sits relative to the current market. For a buy, a price below the market would typically act like a buy limit. Above the market behaves like a buy stop. For a sell, it's the reverse. Small typos matter here, so review carefully. Once done, click on Buy or Sell to submit the order. Before confirming, quickly scan the ticket for direction, the EUR-USD symbol, and your entry price. After submission, your pending order will appear in your orders list where you can monitor it or make adjustments as needed. As always, trading involves risk, so size positions responsibly and review your strategy before you place any order.